When I was a child, before life removed all innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I guess all that would never ever end. I would love, love, love to dance with my father again. And I and my mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to you. It make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under the sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. But you still one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him. I guess all that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I would sit outside the door, and I'd hear old my mother cry for him. I pray for even more than me. I pray for even more than me. No, I'm praying for much too much. What could you send the only man she loves? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever hear.